How to add flags in Facebook profile picture. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now at the top left corner, you're going to find your profile picture. Click on it. With that, you will be directed to your profile page. Once you land to your profile page, now here you're going to find your profile picture. Click on that. Different options will appear as see profile picture. Select profile picture, sync with Instagram, and add frame. In order to add flag to this picture, what you have to do is click on the option of add frame. Now navigate to the option of flags. Now here you're going to find flags of different country. You can just scroll down and check out. Then you can head towards any of the flag that you want to add in your profile picture. You just have to click on it. And it has been applied. Now you can click on the option of save. And with that, your profile picture will be updated along with the flag. So this way you can easily add flag to your profile picture. This was really simple and quick process. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.